So good day everyone. So this is my laboratory 3, so forecasting decision support. So in this video, I will analyze the monthly sales and select the forecasting algorithm. Tapos predict futures, sales to help management and make better decisions. So first is data set, task 1. So let's examine the data. So we have been provided with monthly sales figures for sa atong first half of 2022 and the first half sa 2023. So as you can see sa atong table, we have data for January through June for both years. So upon analyzing this sa time queries, na-observe na ako ang critical patterns. So first is na ay strong positive trends and sales in 2023 are consistently higher sa 2022. Tapos second is na ay limitation. So ang dataset ay discontinuous. So we are completely missing historical data for July through sa December. So forecasting this data is crucial sa inventory planning. So since ang trend is upward, ang company must prevent stock out during the busy second sa half the year. So next is algorithm selection. So for task 2, nag-evaluate tag duha ka algorithms. So first is hot winter. So hot winter is great for seasonality but requires a full historic cycle. So which we do not have. Therefore, nag-select nato ang simple linear regression. So kini algorithm kay best fit siya because it focus sa atong overall growth trend. Tapos galaw pud siya sa atong project para makita nato ang growth sa first half of the year into unknown future sa atong months. So bridge the gap sa atong data. Next is dirita sa task 3. So as you can see, nag-implement ang linear regression model. So diri na chart, makita ninyong blue line nga represent sa actual historic sales. And diri sa atong red dash line nagrepresenta sa forecast for the next 6 months. So kaning model na ni nag-indicate siya sa growth trend na mag-continue linearly. So we project sales to start approximately 167,000 in July and reach a peak of roughly 180,000 by December. So next is atong strategic interpretation. So based sa sa forecast na strategic interpretation nato is straightforward. So I recommend na ang management is immediately mag-increase sa inventory budget. So we are projecting a record-breaking sales volume. However, the risk is a model assumes that atong business stays strong sa December. So since we lack historical data for year-end, so we should monitor actual sales closely by month to month. Kani. Kita na to forecast result, recommendation, and risk notes. So that concludes the analysis and forecasting demonstration. So thank you for watching.